Hi, welcome to My Vinyl Circle. I'm your host, Tommy. Today we're going to be looking at a new type of product from Starcraft, which is a matte inkjet printable permanent adhesive vinyl. They also have a gloss and a matte UV laminate that goes on top of it. We're going to go ahead and compare that against regular old clear or transparent Oracal 651, kind of see how they hold up. And while we get started here, if you want to see more of these videos, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. And if you follow us on Facebook, you can be a part of the weekly giveaways. Every Friday, we give away some type of vinyl. You can find links to the Facebook page in the description of this video. All these products come with the instructions on the front, really easy to read. They all pretty much say, do not microwave and do not put in the dishwasher. You can pause it there and read it if you want to. Let's start with the matte inkjet printable permanent adhesive vinyl. Take all the paper out of whatever printer you're going to use. And if the testing works out really well, we could be carrying these products in our shop as early as this week. So if you want to buy some, and this video is a week old and we ended up liking it, you can find it at myvinylcircle.com. So it says to load in a single sheet at a time with the logos on the back. Let's turn our printer on. It's already on. Hit print. I'm using a Cricut for this tutorial, so I'm using the design Cricut, the Cricut design space, or whatever you want to call it. There we go. There we go. Printed onto the vinyl. Here's what it looks like. We went ahead and used our logo. And then we have to connect the Cricut. Aha. All right, we've got to load this onto our Cricut mat. And here's what we're going to do. We are going to use one sheet of matte UV laminate. And it says to just cut just enough to use so you don't use the whole sheet, because you don't really have to. There we go. Don't cut more than you need to use. Peel and stick. And we can use one gloss. We'll stick that on one. It says to squeegee it out. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then for one, we're also going to use just a regular old sheet of Oracal 651 transparent. I never was very good at this. Come on. There we go. I guess now we load it into the Cricut. All right, it says press go. By the way, this is the first time I've ever actually used a Cricut. So we'll see what happens. All right, I guess it's done. And let's unload it. Here we go. Let's see how this looks. It says multiple cuts are normally required, so I'm gonna run this through one more time. We'll come back after it runs a second time here. Okay, we're back. So I ran it through the Cricut 3 times, and we will see what it looks like here. Look at that. This is the gloss. This is with the gloss UV laminate from Starcraft. Here, and I've got a test bottle here. We can just start placing these on. There we go. There's someone with a leaf blower outside. That sounds fun. I don't know if you can hear them, but that's great. Looks like the mat is having just a little bit harder of a time. I think the mat may have to run through even again. It's been run through 3 times already. Let's see how the Oracal 651 did. Got to run through the matte one again. Same thing. Of course, the one with nothing on it is coming off just fine. We'll do that. So we got the gloss and we got one with nothing on it. Just the straight printable adhesive vinyl. Looks pretty good. Guess we will try and run this through a couple more times. I forgot that the Cricut had a setting to change the pressure. I'm going to change it to iron on. We'll see what happens then. There we go. Let's give it a shot. There we go. So for the Cricut, the iron-on setting worked pretty well. With the matte, let's put the matte one on the back over here. And let's look at the one with just Orcal 651 on it. And we'll put that one on the bottom over here. Looks pretty good. I guess we will go set this out in the sun over the next couple days and we'll see how they weather. Maybe we'll run it through the washer, see what happens, even though we're not supposed to. Starcraft permanent adhesive printable vinyl with UV laminate. And like I said, Orcal 651 looks a lot like the gloss. This just seems maybe a little bit thicker. Once again, if you want to be a part of the weekly giveaways, make sure you like our Facebook page. We do a giveaway every Friday. And also be subscribed to this channel. We also have tutorials coming up of how to use your Cricut and how to use your Silhouette and other stuff like that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.